The MDC of MAWHATI constituency, Charles Marngar, had met the director of the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited on the 7th of July 2021 to apprise the latter of the grievances of the people of the area with regards to power distribution. Speaking after his meeting with the director of the MEPDCL, the MLA of MAWHATI, Charles Marngar, informed that a discussion related to limited or no power supply in UMSIANG area had taken place. On this, the director of the Distribution Corporation had informed that discussions are on with the CMD of the MEGHALAYA to employ casual staff members in areas where there are none. On the shortage of transformers, Charles Marngar informed that he had requested the director of the MEPDCL to take up the issue with immediate effect so as to address the concerns of the residents of MAWHATI, especially of students who are not able to continue with online classes due to the lack of electric power supply.
Te kawai ka bas ngota nat hang ni itu ipi managaleng jong u director mandang singi ula on baun sim kya ikni kam un sa pensngo sei CMD bat un saya keren no un sa khot no ik engineer bi jong bat ben bet no ikni kam ha ke bade ba gajing thong ya staff bat kham tam ya gajing bom biang ka bordi bat na so komen ru hang ne ba ulai thu ngam tip kalong ne am kata badang haki ni mensis ngi ong belai don gajing yesong ba CMD ban penbet ban thong no ya ki casual hagi jaka ki bom don ki nok tre dikata ga dei ka point ka ba ngawan mani kendo mandang singi bat segawai ka bai de ki transformer ki beladu ki bon ba ki snong ha konsumsi ki bom don transformer habalai sha office idan i pending bill i batang khniat ki ong ba em namar bagadon ke pending bill jong phing em ai transformer bang kali mentano director ong ba kadon ka shortage jong ki transformer ru idan ki snong ki bada kisnam asnam ki mi transformer idan ko ba kisnong ha morong ru madag sngi ngalayo pen pensngo ban na kaliang jong director ong bangin sim kya ai kani ru ban pen biang na ko la ye ki transformer hagi jaka ki bom dan shu ki transformer